All right, here's a Honda Foreman 450. It's a 2001. I just rebuilt the engine. It's the S, so it's not the electric shift, it's the manual shift one, and it's a full-time four-wheel drive. So we're gonna try to test it out today, do some trail riding, doing some mudding. We're gonna try to take her down there, and then we're gonna pull a trailer and see how she does. You wanna help me test it out today?
Yeah.
All right. We put that back carrier on there so kids can go on there, and then we have a chainsaw holder in the front. So this is going to be a work machine. We're going to put her through her paces. You ready? All right, you know how to start it up?
Yeah. First
So
you gotta turn on the key.
Key's right there. And you got to make sure it's in neutral.
So
yeah, it's in neutral. And then you got to make sure the kill switch is off. Is right in the middle, and then turn the gas is on. And then it should be just electric start. It also has a pull start down under there, which is nice in case the battery dies. So start her up. Nice. Sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, no smoke or anything coming out. All right, let's test it out in these this mud alley. Holy cow, you did a great job going down the mud. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna take it down a trail ride quick. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, just to wrap up this video, you know, this Honda Foreman is really nice. It gets the job done. We're gonna end up hauling this trailer full of wood for our last test. We're gonna try to increase our firewood. So, what do you call this thing?
The banana.
The banana. Or you call it a minion as well. Yeah, that's kind of cool. All right, so yeah, this Honda Foreman is pretty awesome. It's working good. And yeah, thanks for watching. And you want to take her home?
Yeah.
All right.